Hello everyone and welcome back to ClearTask. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to close your TikTok Ads Manager account in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and log into your TikTok Ads Manager dashboard. Once you are logged in, navigate to the top menu bar and hover your mouse over the Tools option. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Account Setup. This will take you to your account details page. On this page, look toward the right side of the screen where you will see an icon with 3 dots. Click on that 3-dot icon and select the option that says Close Account. A confirmation window will appear on your screen asking if you are sure you want to proceed. Simply click Confirm, and that is it. Your TikTok Ads Manager account will now be deleted. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe to ClearTask, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.